Welcome to this presentation about Magnolia and KonaKart. Magnolia is an open source web content management system. KonaKart is an open source shopping cart solution. And this is a presentation about the integration of both applications into one and shows you how flexible the KonaKart integration gets, so you can style and manage your website and the shopping site and the content site in one system. So after you created the WAR file for the Magnolia KonaKart integration, as described in the installer, you can bring up Magnolia in your web container, and then once you're on the website, just log in. This is default login. You will get the Magnolia management site with a tree node called KonaKart, which is your KonaKart website. If I double click this icon here, I get a page in the editing mode, and I can hit the preview button to hide all these green bars that help you editing. So let's walk through the application itself first. We have a couple of links like home, specials, my account, where I can log into KonaKart, my current cart, and checkout. So since we don't have a cart yet, we basically go into hardware, for example, graphics cards, or we can select a manufacturer, say Fox Television, and select one of the DVDs here. We see this is special price, so I want to buy this movie. I get to my shopping cart, I can go back and continue shopping. Maybe I want the gift card as well, so I have different versions of the gift card. I can select the gift card that I want, I can add that to the shopping cart. These are all features that are out of the box in KonaKart. Notice that we have a different look and feel than when you use KonaKart yourself. I can then go to checkout, which allows me to log in as a new user or reuse an existing user, and then go from there and do my payment transactions. All features that KonaKart support are supported here as well. I can also log in to my existing account. Let's do that here real quick. Enter a password. Don't want to remember this, so this gives me my current orders, for example. I don't have any. You can see that it's the same functionality that you get from KonaKart out of the box. We can now, though, since this is in Magnolia, click on this little green icon up there, and we can start editing this page. So for example, if I don't like the categories to be the first item, and I would really love the manufacturers to be above the categories, I can just click on this move it above, click again, and now we have this reorder. So these features allow us to fully customize the KonaKart solution in any way we want. If we don't want the shopping cart to be displayed here, just delete it. If we want the best sellers to be above the shopping cart, I can just move that as well. If I want another component to be displayed, then I can just hit edit, and I have a drop-down list of all the components that are supported. So basically these are all the struct styles that are available in KonaKart, and I can just select one and through that get another component in this place. Notice that the ones ending with bodies are more for the middle section of the page, and the one ending in tile are more for the right section of the page or left section of the page. So I just switched that. I don't have any notifications, and that was a bad idea. I could say the languages tile here, so I'm going to save that. Now I can switch the languages. If I click, KonaKart will represent itself in another language. From the page layout that we support, if I go back here, so we see here a whole page structure that's initially created for you with every page that is supported in KonaKart, and basically there is a configuration that is done that allows us to reconfigure the locations of those pages, so we can have them in any area in the content management system as we want. So here we have these actions. So for example, we just were on the there's no that example, but for example, show reviews. So if I click on the show reviews link, I do have here the location of that page. It's /KonaKart/reviews.html. This can be changed and moved around to your liking. The other advantage is that, for example, in the website itself, if I have regular content pages, for example, this about page, that's from the standard demo project of Magnolia. I'm not going to go in and change anything here, but so we have the ability to add our KonaKart paragraphs into any location here as well. So any content page can have a feature on its page to support, for example, the language selection or the best-selling items to drive your customer back to your shopping solution. But to wrap it up, this is the Magnolia integration for KonaKart, and it really brings the two applications together into one application, and we leverage the KonaKart solution in Magnolia to give Magnolia a good shopping solution, and we leverage Magnolia on the other hand to allow KonaKart to be easier configured. Thank you very much for watching this webcast. If you want more information, please visit us at www.headwire.com.